when I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find a love so true. And you can see it in my eyes, that girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.
Tawag ko naman natin. Tatawag naman niya sila pag... Pwede doon na po ka? Opo, sige po. Kaano nyo na lang kayo? Ako din kasi mag-aakit sila. Okay, sige po. Sige po. Antay. Pagkain na agad yung hinahanap. Parang ang sarap, no? Uy, 85 lang. Meron sila, guys, bendo ng pagkain.
Never coming down.
Room tour tayo, room tour. Ito yung room namin. So, merong toilet and bath. Okay naman siya. Tapos may cabinet and table, may TV and yung bed. May ref. Yan, sa aircon. Ito, small private room. No? Diba? Nakalagay naman doon. May wifi. May wifi. Tapos, kasama to guys sa package na inabil namin for lap cole. And unbox natin yung medical pack. Unbox natin. Let's go! Ito. Ayan. Dapat ko na kayo. Kasi yan. Meron N4. Cotton balls. Face towel. Cup. Measuring cup. Another measuring cup. Chow. Alcohol. Tissue. Ito. May kasama. Ito pwede sa'yo uwi. Tsaka baso. Yung mga kasama guys. In fairness, ang ganda nung ba? Ganda ng color. Yung room package guys na inabil namin is small private room which is 144,000. Pero maliles pa yun ng PhilHealth. So parang papatak na 84 to 86,000. Ito guys yung bed ko.
Bed niya for 1 day.
For 2 nights.
Staycation dito.
Mahal mag-staycation. Oh my gosh.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wonder what my lover. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you. No one can do it like you.
May allergies po sa gamot sa pagkain. So, wala po. Yung pagtulog naman, sir, hindi naman nahihirapan.
Balikan ko kasi lang sa office.
Balik nagka-eyeglasses kayo, sir. Contact lens po.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on me.
Naswero na siya, guys. Tchadan! Lapit ka na.
Nagbo-vlog kayo.
Nadadocument ko lang yun.
Documentary lang. Ako vlogger kayo. I-follow ko sana kayo. Pag-shoutout kami.
Dapat po.
Pwede ka na pwede ka tawagin doon.
Bye-bye!
Thank you.
So, update guys, ano na, 6:10. So, 6 o'clock, inatid na namin si Robert sa OR. And ako na lang mag-isa dito. Waiting game. Hindi ko alam, baka matulog muna ako. Kasi wala pa akong tulog. Magising-gising. First time kasi ni Pima Hospital, like, yung opera. Maarte kasi yun eh. kaunting sakit. Yung feel na feel niya talaga. Ganyan. Pero, alam mo, kakayanin naman niya. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal. Siguro 2 hours. 2 hours. Pero sabi kasi ng una, 7 a.m. pa yung operation. Pero 6, sinundo na siya dito. And, sorry kung ganito yung boses ko. Sobrang lamig din kasi. Kausap ko lang mga families. Pumunta tayo. Okay kasi sa lamig. Solo ko yung bed. kanina, before ibaba si Robert sa operating room, dinurukan siya nung para sa allergy. And sabi nung nurse, medyo nakakaantok yun. And nakita ko si Robert kanina dun sa elevator, papikit-pikit na siya. Wala pa yung anesthesia. Pero yun, and parang inaantok-antok na siya. And wala rin naman kasi siyang tulog. Parang 5 na siya nakatulog, tapos biglang mag-i-skin test, so nagigising-gising siya ganyan. Natatawa nga ako sa kanya nung sineswerohan siya. Like talagang hingang malalim before siya tusukan nung swero. Basta ganun siya. Yun lang. So mamaya mag-update ako ulit. Improvised pillow. Wala akong dalang pillow, guys. And yung sa pinto is towel. And hindi na lang may dala akong bukod. So, yeah. Guys, dumating yung breakfast. Tutulog na sana ako. Buti na lang may kape. Tapos yung hot water, guys, kukunin sa nurse station. Merong may tubig. Kuha muna ako ng hot water para mag-initan. Sayang kasi kung hindi natin ito kakainin. Kaya ito, guys. 7 AM na pala siguro nagsisimula na yung surgery ni operation. Hello?
So, eto na guys, si B nung dumating siya. So, hindi ko na siya na-videohan kasi nga, bagong gising lang ako that time and sabi niya, ang tagal na daw nila sa labas.
namin umuwi kasi si Ryle, kawawa naman. Nahihirapan matulog. Nakakalakad na siya. Papagas ako. Yan. Nakatayo, nakakautot, nakakawiwi. Everything's good. Success ang pagtanggal ng gallbladder. Gusto niya ba makita yung bato? Char! Tinago ko na eh. Pupos ako ng pic.
They will come, they will come. Like the sun.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town, the truth don't stop. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your...
So, meron dito guys sa De Los Santos Medical City. Meron silang package for laparoscopic surgery. So, yung in-avail namin is yung small private. And yun is 144,000 pesos. And then, na-less siya ng 60,450 for PhilHealth.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get